Greetings to all, myself Vaishnavi, Assistant IT Department from SNS College of Technology. Now we are going to see about the group discussion on the topic of CPU scheduling algorithm. It decides which process gets the CPU next. Here we have the maximum CPU utilization, and next we have types of CPU scheduling algorithms.
Myself Sri and I am here to explain about FCFS, that is first come first serve. The concept is the jobs are executed in the order they arrive, just like a queue. The mechanism is non-primitive scheduling. The advantages are it is simple and fair in arrival order. The disadvantages include convoy effect, where the small jobs get stuck behind the long jobs. And for example, if the jobs are 10, 2 and 1, the there will be a long waiting time due to a first long jobs. In the terms of performance criteria, it is good for throughput and poor for average waiting time. The design thinking insight is it define a problem of efficiency loss. Thank you.
Myself Gopinath, I am going to explain shortest to job first, SJF, concept process with the shortest first and run first, mechanism primitive or non-primitive, advantages minimize average waiting time, disadvantage need extra burst time, then starvation risk, use case, scientific workload, predictable task, example job 2, 4, 6, better than the FCFS, performance criteria, excellent turnaround time and weak for fairness, DT. DT inside define a problem of starvation and ideate age distribution.
Morning all, myself R.Vaishnavi. I am going to explain about priority scheduling. Concept is higher priority process for CPU first. Mechanism primitive or non-primitive. Advantage is critical task handled quickly. Disadvantages are low priority stagnation. Use cases real-time systems, medicals and flights. Examples: urgent faculty print job over students job. Performance criteria: good for responsive time, good for stagnation. Design thinking insight: prototype any technique to avoid stagnation. Thank you.
Good morning. Myself T. Gautam. I am going to explain about round robin. A concept process get fixed time called number. Mechanism primitive and cyclic order. Advantage fair and good responsible for users. Disadvantage to small sizes equal context above overhead. Users case use users case time sharing system. Performance average in time around and good for fairness. DT insight test for different time quantum to optimize performance. Thank you.
I'm going to tell about multi-queue scheduling. Concept multi-queue scheduling for different process type. Mechanism: each queue uses different scheduling policy. Advantage: separate interactive versus batch task. Disadvantage: inflexible fixed task assignment. Example: interactive use RR. Batch use FCFS. Performance: strong control but weak adaptability. DT insight: define strict queue policy but ideate flexibility for better fairness.
I am going to tell about multi-level feedback queue. Concept: process can move between queues. Mechanism: short level jobs are promoted, long-term jobs are demoted. Advantage: reduced starvation, flexible, adapt to workload. Disadvantage: it is complex to implement. Example: it is used in modern OS. Performance criteria: balanced throughput, turnaround, fairness. DT insight: empathize with the user. Thank you. I am going to tell about multi-level feedback queue. Concept: process can move between queues. Mechanism: short level jobs are promoted, long-term jobs are demoted.
Advantage, reduced starvation, flexible, adaptive workload. Disadvantage, it is complex to implement. Example, it is used in modern OS. Performance criteria, balanced throughput, turnaround, fairness, DT insight, empathize with the user. Thank you.